What up, guys? Back at it again. So today is gonna be pretty sick because I'm finally gonna install the Ducktail spoiler, and it's gonna be sick. I'm excited. I'm heading to Urban's house. If you guys didn't see the last video, we prepped it up and painted it so it's black like my car. We paint matched it, and yeah, now I'm gonna install it today. So stay tuned. Let's go. Always. I always find it funny when dudes pull up next to me and try to race the IS300 as if it was like super engine or something. All right, at Urban's house, picking up my wing special pickup right here, guys. These lights are sick, dude. What's up, bud? How's it going?
What's going?
Fire in the booth? Dude, okay. That's fucking clean. Feels great too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Dude. There it is, guys. Finished product. Good job, bro.
Yeah, dude, I'm stoked about this one. I'm actually stoked about this one.
So sick, guys. I got the spoiler. It looks good. The paint is like as close as it's gonna get. And yeah, let's go home and install this lip and go from there. I'm excited. I'm gonna be swapping this out for the Ducktail. And I'm gonna show you guys how to take this out. And then we're gonna do the Ducktail install and throw everything on. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, it's getting dark out here, so I gotta hurry up. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and so far I have not been able to finish the duck lip install of the spoiler because we actually ran into a few issues. I dented the shit out of my trunk because I'm an idiot, and I was using a pry bar to pry it out and also denting the trunk at the same time. So I had to order an eraser wheel to take off all the adhesion tape that's left here. The wheel should be here today. Later on, I'm gonna heat this up, and we're gonna be able to use a racer wheel and get all this residue off. It is debadged, as you can see, and yeah, I already mocked up the wing to it. It looks good. It looks a lot better, and yeah, we're gonna take on this project as soon as my eraser wheel gets here. What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna do this in my garage because it's a lot easier, and it's raining outside and it's cold. So we're gonna continue this video right here. So the eraser wheel, the Decal eraser wheel to get off this adhesion actually just came in. We're gonna put that on the drill, and I'll show you guys right here how it looks. So this is on Amazon. I'll put a link in the bottom down below. And yeah, it basically has a drill bit adapter to screw onto this. I'm gonna put that on my drill, and we're gonna go ahead and eraser this off. I didn't share with you guys how I got this off. Basically, what I did was I used a heat gun with a badge. And to debadge it, you basically just heat up the emblems under it, around it, get it nice and warm. You're gonna make the adhesion a little soft, and then I use fishing line, and I just thread it in between each other, like kind of like floss it, and pull at the same time, and just work your way slowly, take your time. The heat helps a lot, and basically the emblem just comes off. Same thing with the stock trunk. There's actually two bolts, one here and one here from the inside. You can get that. And then you're gonna have to pry it out and heat it up also. But I'm gonna show you guys how to finish it off, and then we're gonna throw the spoiler on, throw some 3M tape on it, and yeah, hopefully it turns out good. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I found out that it's easier to remove the adhesion when it's warmer. So I'll get a heat gun and heat it up a little bit. It's actually really cold here, so if you're doing it out in the sun, it's probably fine. But right now it's winter time and it's hella cold in here. It's like 40 degrees. Alright guys, so I got this all cleaned up. It's kind of hard to get out all the little stuff right here, but the lip is going to be covering it anyways. I don't have anything that's going to be able to take it off, but the wing is going to cover it anyways. So I'm just going to go with it, cover it up, and eventually down the road I'm planning on wrapping the car so that little blemishes and all that around the paint all over the car doesn't really matter at this point. But I'm gonna get the wing on, and then after that I'll go and touch up everything else, the paint, and maybe polish the car later. We have to seal these holes up right here. They're from the trunk holes, the light for the third brake light, all that stuff. And what I have here is basically the same thing as Flex Seal, but this is what they had at the store in stock. They actually sold out of the Flex Seal stuff. It's basically waterproof tape. Got this at Walmart for like this is actually like 13 bucks. So yeah, we'll try it out and give it a go. So so I got the spoiler on, and I gotta say it looks pretty freaking good. Like it blends in well together, and I think this design just fits everything else. The paint match is pretty good. It is close enough, you almost can't tell a difference. This is the duck lip, it's the Katana Ducktail spoiler. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll put a link for the eraser wheel that I used to get the decal off from Amazon, the 3M tape, all the good stuff. Yeah, basically I just put double stick tape, 3M, all around it, and made sure it was all sealed. The hard part was actually pressing it on. As you can see, there's a gap kind of in between here, and I'm kind of annoyed about that, but it's the fitment. It's not perfect. You just kind of have to mod it, but other than that, guys, it's decent. It looks good, and as always, guys, the car looks good from a distance. But that's it for the Ducktail spoiler install. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share, do whatever you want. That's it. Stay tuned for more content, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.